Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to show you how to enroll in Autopay on Cure Auto Insurance. We will also put links in the description below for various low-cost auto insurance options. To start, open the website cure.com, then click on Login. Now, log in with your username or email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for Enroll in Autopay. Beside it is an option that says Enroll Now. Click on Enroll Now. Now, select a payment method. If you don't have a payment method yet, click on Add or Manage Payment Methods. Then follow the on-screen instructions on how to add. After that, click on Enroll in Autopay. That's how you enroll in Autopay on Cure Auto Insurance. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.